Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Akib, and in this video I am going to show you how you can effectively and easily use a form to collect leads for your business. And this automation will not only help you to collect the leads from your form but add those leads into a CRM that you are using automatically. Yes guys, so let me show you how this is going to work. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. Here we have taken the example of these two applications. First is Pabbly Form Builder to build a form for your leads, and second is Active Campaigns, which is a CRM and marketing tool. So guys, in place of Active Campaigns and in place of Form Builder, you can use any other form builder, and here in place of Active Campaigns you can use any other CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce or MailerCloud, you name it. Okay, so this can be possible in a few steps that I'm going to show you, and to make this happen we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge, so anyone can set up this automation very easily, and it will surely save your time and improve your productivity. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to start setting up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So after reaching here, you can start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So let me fill the name here as let's say Pabbly Form Builder to Active Campaigns. Automation. Okay, so this is the name of our workflow. Now you can click here on this create button, and you can see your workflow getting created on this page like this. And here you will find this trigger and action. So this automation is going to work on these two things only, and this automation you can set up with these two steps only. Okay, so the trigger is the happening of the event which is going to trigger or start this workflow or automation, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a form submission received from the lead, and the action towards that trigger would be to add the same lead as a contactor in Active Campaigns. Okay, so from this trigger section, from this choose app field, you have to select your trigger application first, which is Pabbly Form Builder, guys. So search for Pabbly Form Builder, this is it, select it, and the trigger event would be a new form submission. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to make the connection with Pabbly Form Builder by using these instructions written here. Okay, so you can read the instructions. Let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, just copy this webhook URL from here and go back to the dashboard of Pabbly Form Builder, which is this. Okay, and the form we are using to collect the leads is this one, Connect with Us form. So this is a kind of contact form. You can use it on your website. Okay, so here we are collecting the details of the people who are interested in our business. Okay, so here you have to click on this integrations option on this left hand side panel. Click on integrations. Okay, and here on this page you have to select your form first from this forms menu. So you will find this contact with us form here, select it. Then here you have to add a webhook by clicking on this create webhook button, and here in this add webhook field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this, and then click on save, and you can see a new webhook is added here, right? And as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now here you can see it is started showing this label and value thing here, as we have added the webhook URL here. Now you have to click on this recapture response button, click on recapture, then click on yes, and it will start showing this waiting for response again. So when it starts showing this waiting for response, this means now you have to perform a test submission. This means now you have to fill the form on the behalf of any test lead or demo lead, and we are going to collect the data of that demo lead here in this workflow. Okay, so this is my form, and let me fill this form with the name as John Matthews, let's say. So this is our lead, and the email address of this person is this, the phone number is this, and the details of the address are these, and I'm submitting this form, and you can see the message is submitted successfully. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this form submission. And here you can see in this response received section, we got the details of the form submission as this. Here you can see the first name, the last name, and all the things that you have filled in the form is here, right? Now I want to add this person in Active Campaigns, which is a CRM and marketing tool, okay, here in the contacts list. Okay, so to make this happen, you have to connect Active Campaigns application from this choose app field, search for Active Campaigns. Okay, this is it, and the action event would be create a contact, then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API key and the URL to make the connection with Active Campaigns. So to find this key, guys, you have to click on the settings tab under the Active Campaigns dashboard. Okay, so you can read the instructions written here, and for the URL you will find the URL also in the same developer section. Let me show you. So guys, this is my Active Campaigns dashboard, and here you can see I have the settings icon. So click on settings, and under the settings section you will find this developer option on the left hand side. Click on developer, and under this developer section you will find this API access key and the URL as well. So first of all, copy this API key from here like this, paste it here in this API key field, right? And for the URL section, where it is, here you can see we have the URL, so just copy this URL as well and paste the URL here as this. Okay, so you need to remove this leading HTTP thing. Remove this. You can see the example. You have to paste the URL just like this. Okay, so this is the URL. Now click on save, and you will be connected with Active Campaigns like this. And here it is asking the email, the first name, the last name, and the phone number to create a contact in Active Campaigns. So we have got the data of our lead here in this first step. So I'm going to map the details here in the second step to create a contact there. So to map the email, just click here, and you will find Pabbly Form Builder option in the drop down, and from here just map the email like this. Okay, for the first name, use the same process. This is the first name, this is the last name, okay, and here is the phone number. Okay, so we have mapped all the things. Now you can check your connection with Active Campaigns by clicking on save and send test request, and a new contact will be added here in the contact section. Let me show you. Here you will find a new contact. So I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and you can see we got this response. Okay, let me show you an Active Campaign if we got a new contact. So let me refresh the contacts list, and here you can see John Matthews is added here at this date and time with these details. Okay, so connection with Active Campaigns is working really fine, and we are done setting up this automation. So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, and if any person is going to fill your form, the person is going to be added in Active Campaigns automatically. And here you can see, as we have connected Active Campaigns with this form, you can attach any different CRM as well. Let me show you. So from this same action step, you can search for HubSpot. You can see HubSpot is here. You can connect HubSpot. If you want to connect Pipedrive, you can search for Pipedrive and you can connect Pipedrive. Okay, by selecting here. Okay, and if you want to connect, let's say an email marketing tool, let's say MailerCloud, you can select MailerCloud from here only. If you want to connect Salesforce, you can search for Salesforce also, and connect Salesforce, and use this same workflows, this same process to add the leads you are getting from the form and send those leads automatically into these different applications. Okay, so the process will be the same. The connection type can be different, but you can read the instructions and make the connection according to yourself. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. And let me select my application again, which was Active Campaigns. Okay, and guys, I'm going to create this workflow again, and I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start running this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.